Welcome to Act Notes Tutorials. My name is Tina, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on the proposal development process. What is the proposal development process? A proposal development process helps an organization develop, build and respond to a buyer's request for proposal. Having an established proposal development process should help ensure an organization develops the best proposal possible that satisfies all the buyer's needs and requirements. Organizations that understand the customer's procurement process, proposal evaluation methodology, governing regulations, standards, and laws have an inherent advantage over their competitors. There are 10 notional steps associated with the proposal development process. These steps are: Step 1, form your team. Step 2, develop a plan. Step 3, develop the proposal outline. Step 4, conduct a kickoff meeting. Step 5, develop storyboards. Step 6, conduct a pink review. Step 7, develop your first draft. Step 8, develop your second draft. Step 9, conduct a red team review. And finally, Step 10, submit final draft for review. I will go through each of these steps next. Step 1, form your team. The most important step is gathering the most knowledgeable and effective team members to write the proposal. The key players include the program manager, who runs the actual project if awarded, and the proposal manager, who is responsible for executing the proposal development process. The remaining team members should be made up from subject matter experts. Step 2, plan your proposal. A plan should address how the proposal content should be developed and the main proposal requirements to achieve. The plan should list these proposal requirements in a compliance matrix. An effective plan that gives a timeline on when items are due and roles and responsibilities to all proposal team members. Step 3, develop the proposal outline. Each volume team leader is responsible for developing a proposal outline for the assigned proposal volume. This outline adds details to the established high-level outline such as customer requirements, specific descriptions, work breakdown structure, and administrative approach to each volume and section. Step 4, conduct a formal kickoff meeting. The kickoff meeting is where the program manager and proposal manager officially start proposal development efforts with all team members. This is the best opportunity to make sure all team members are informed of their responsibilities and the overall goals of the proposal. Step 5, prepare storyboard. Proposal storyboards should be developed using brainstorming and storyboarding techniques. The volume team leader should be responsible for planning and holding a brainstorming session with the volume technical writers. Together, each section of the proposal volume should be divided into subsections. For each subsection, supporting themes, key selling points, and visuals should be developed. With the information obtained through the brainstorming session, technical writers should then complete a storyboard for each assigned section of the volume. Step 6, conduct a pink review. Each volume leader should brief their storyboard to the proposal manager. It's the responsibility of the proposal manager to ensure that the storyboard satisfies the requirements in the request for proposal and complements the overall story of the proposal. Step 7, prepare the first draft. The first rough draft is prepared by team members and reviewed by each volume manager. Step 8, prepare the second draft. The second rough draft is prepared by team members and reviewed by the program manager. Step 9, conduct a red team review. The proposal project manager should arrange to have a red team review of the technical, management, and cost volumes. This review should be scheduled towards the end of the proposal writing but should still provide sufficient time for the red team review comments and recommendations to be evaluated and incorporated into the proposal. Details for the review should be forwarded when complete. Every volume team leader should be responsible for having the volume material ready for review and should be prepared to make presentations on the assigned volume. And finally, Step 10, submit the final draft. Make sure the proposal is submitted to the exact submittal terms in the RFP. Always have a backup plan for submitting just in case something goes wrong or missing. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the proposal development process. For more information to include guides and templates, please visit the webpage. Congratulations for finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting ACT Notes.